y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, how are y'all doing today? So today I'm going to be doing this natural, everyday kind of wear look using the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I wanted to do more of a natural look with this palette today because I know that with the colors that are in this palette, it can be a little intimidating if you're not a colorful person, what kind of looks you can actually get out of this. And I will be doing more tutorials with the palette and with the ABH palettes all together. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so for a base and to prime my eyes today, I am going in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. You can use whatever concealer that you have. You can use any base that you may have, whether it be the Urban Decay or the P. Louise. But today I wanted to make it more of an everyday kind of tutorial. So I'm going to stamp this base in. So we're only going to use 3 shadows today. We are going to dip into Estate, we're going to dip into Palm, and we're going to dip into Yacht. So to begin, I'm going to go into Estate, which is that light peachy, it's kind of like a skin tone, and I'm going to go in here and set my base. That way we have no creasing. And for today's look, I really wanted to just do something, like I know this palette can kind of be a little intimidating if you don't work with a lot of makeup. So I wanted to do something that is going to cater to everybody, that is wearable, everyday kind of tutorial. Again, I'm gonna go into Palm, which was the deep brown. I'm just using a fluffy blending brush. Any brush that you have will do, and I'm kind of just stamping that in, and then I will lightly go into circular motions because of my mature creasy eyes to just blend this up. When I really have nothing left on my brush, I'm going to bring this inward just ever so lightly into the inner corner from the crease, and then with nothing left, again, I will go in and blend this up just a little bit, and then from here forward we will go in and I will stamp my outer corner. Again, circular motions just to get the shadow into the creases and it don't crease on me. And then from there you can just work the color up as pigmented as you would like it to be. Now I'm just going to go in here and build this color up just a little bit to make it a little bit darker, and then again I'll go in here and blend this brown out just a little bit more. Okay, so now going into Yacht, which was, it's kind of like a copperish gold. And I'm just going to put this on the front and about 3/4 of the way in. We're not doing like a full cut crease. It's kind of like a soft smoky cut crease without actually going in and cutting the crease. I will then go back in with Yacht, which is the brown, just to blend the edges of this a little bit more. And to finish everything off, we'll go back in with Estate, which was the transition shade that we put in, and really just blend this out. Alright, now that I have the rest of my face done, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amorisi highlighter, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner. So my lipstick is in the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow, and then the lashes I honestly just have no idea because I just pulled them out of a drawer. I put just a little thin line of black liner right along my lash line just so I could hide the lash band for my lashes. And the good thing about this look is if you don't want to wear lashes, this look would look absolutely beautiful without lashes. So it's a good everyday kind of wear. So to finish this look off, I'm going to go in with that deep brown color, and I'm going to work this into my waterline or my lower lash line, and then go in with Estate, which was the transition shade that we used. I'm going in here and just really blend this out. Okay, then we will throw on some bottom mascara. For me, I'm going in with the Maybelline Snap Mascara. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. It is just a very simple and easy everyday kind of wear. I just wanted to show y'all that even though this palette looks dramatic, you can definitely get natural looks out of it. And I will be doing a lot of ABH tutorials because I know my box will hopefully be here today, if not sometime this week. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you made it to the end of the tutorial, please comment Riviera down below. You can also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I would love for y'all to join the team. And you guys, everything is linked down below in the description box. All my social medias, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Other than that, you guys have a very blessed day, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.